had to move in silence here because I'm looking for eland. Oh God, they're there. This eland is sensing that there is something here. Something interesting about praying mantis, the females eat the males after mating. These are born from a smaller carnivore because of these teeth. Look at these cute birds, babe. Look at this cute bird, guys. Oh, so cute.
These ones are also finding something to munch
They
on
are.
as well.
Oh my God, they're so cute. Look at that tail. But why is the other one not following the other one? Ooh. Hi. Hello, good morning. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're having a little intimacy in your life. And as always, I'm talking about intimacy with nature. Yes. So today is Saturday. We are at Haka for our weekly nature walk, and what you are hearing behind me is a tractor because people are harvesting the dry grass and then they are baling it. So this is what I mean whenever I say I love Haka, because they harvest the grass, and then what happens is after they have removed the dry grass, there is this fresh shoots that come out, and animals love them. They love them so much. So in a week or a few days, it will become easier to see animals because they will be all coming out wanting to graze in that area. Anyway, for lunch, we are having the usual. Now it's the usual: a fruit, clementine, roasted nuts, and water, and that's it. You remember our bush water bottle. One day I'm going to start a travel shop which is going to have all travel things that makes life easier and convenient. And when I do, you'll be the first ones to know. Let the walk begin. So this is a praying mantis. These animals are just their own kind. Creation at its best. So something interesting about praying mantis is that they actually eat their partners, the females, eat the males after mating because they would have used so much energy and they need to feed as soon as possible. Yeah, the males know that they are gonna get eaten, but they can't help it. The feeling is so overpowering that they're like, you know what? If I'm gonna die, I'm dying. I don't care. But they also try certain things. Sometimes they try to bring an insect that they would have caught and then they feed the female with it. But if they don't finish their business quickly, as soon as that female finishes eating whatever they brought, they are next. You would think it's been eaten up or something. We have to move in silence here because I'm looking for eland. I saw some eland, but I don't know where exactly they are. Oh yes! Oh God! They're there! So beautiful. Animals are amazing, I tell you. This eland is sensing that there is something here. It hasn't seen me yet, I don't think so. But it's sensing that there is something behind that bush, and that's why it's staring. Look at it. Its senses are telling it no. There is something there. So now it's like, even if I can't see what's really wrong, I'm moving. I love it here. It's still flying. Butterflies are some of the most beautiful creatures, but also the most difficult to capture. These are born from a smaller animal. So this animal would have been a carnivore because of these teeth. A carnivore is an animal that feeds on meat. How cool is that? And this is its face.